Hola, senors and ladies and gentlemen around the world. It's your boy Joshy here for a new reaction. Dropping two tonight to get things out of the gate. First, we checked out John Legend's Tonight, Best You Ever Had. In this video, we're going to switch things up a little bit. We're going to go a little more of a rock slash folk ballad route here. As you guys see, the title of this video, it's Bird of Sorrow, a underrated song in my opinion. I know Glen Hansard is a very wide known artist and it's been in around the game for the last 30 years, and he's known for his band The Swell Season. I was first introduced to Glenn from The Swell Season from How I Met Your Mother and Low Rising, which I think we'll do a reaction to that song in a couple weeks or so. But I wanted to showcase a lot of different artists as well as we go through this. Yeah, we'll play the hits and stuff, and I will get you requests as well. But when I start doing these, the reason I wanted to start doing these like musical reactions because I have a big appreciation for music. I started playing music when I was 7 years old. I'm 28. And I want to express that with you guys and give you guys some new content. So I'm going to show you some songs that I listen to that maybe you haven't had a chance to be introduced. And that's the fun part of this whole community of people who do content creation or create reaction videos. And there's a lot of great people that do it, and I'm just throwing my head into the field and just having fun with this. So, just want to say again that this is your first time watching any of my music reactions. I have two simple rules, man. Be respectful and subscribe to subscribe to our channel. Also, three, if you have any suggestions, feel free to suggest anything you want, and I'll try and make sure I catch up to it as soon as I can. But again, be respectful. Let's have some fun with each other and enjoy the music. Secondly, subscribe to our channel and like the video. And three, if you have anything you want me to check out next, just comment down below. So let's have some fun. We're going to listen to this. This is a pretty long one. I'm going to play fully for you guys, and then I'll speak to you once it's over. So let's sit back, relax, let's enjoy our next venture here. This is indeed Bird of Sorrow by Glen Hansard, and this should be fun. So here we go.
Even if a day feels too long, you feel like you can't wait another one, and you're slowly giving up on everything. Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you, you better be ready then.
This flow's good, you know.
Well, you've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. You've been waiting for that spark, but it hasn't come. Calling to you, please get off the floor. A good heart will find you again. A good heart will find you, just be ready then. Tethered to a bird of song, a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You prostrate bowed but not believing. You squandered more than you could borrow. You bet your joy on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning while everything around is burning. Come on, we gotta get out of this mess we've made. still for all our talk, we're both so afraid. Will we leave this up to chance, like we do everything? Love is gonna find us again. Love is gonna find us, we gotta be ready then. Tethered to a bird of sorrow, voice that's buried in a hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate bound, but not believing. You squandered more than you could borrow. You bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning. Well, everything around is burning. But I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not
This is my favorite part right here.
hanging on. What's gonna come?
Beautiful.
What's gonna come? Hanging on. Hanging on. The faithful.
Whew, man, that hits the feels, man. I want to hear from you guys, like when you hear through this song, and I do recommend you guys check out the lyrics of this song too, because it's very powerful. But you know, even taking in the great like violin work in the back, and you know the slight strumming on the acoustic guitar, and you know it got a little slightly tense more after that bridging part of the song, but like you just feel like his heart like belting out of him, and like you know you look at the title of the song, it's called Bird of Sorrow, so obviously there's has to be some type of emotional tie to it. Maybe this could put you in the fields of, you know, in your healing process, or, you know, dealing with the depression. I look at this song in a positive light, in like finding yourself and flying through the shit you put yourself into it, or even in time you put yourself into situations that you're not responsible for. And I think the song's, you know, you're being the bird, you're flying through the sorrow of your life and the pain and the guilt that you're dealing with, and you're finding yourself along the way. And that's what I take away from the song. I could be wrong. To you, what do you feel is the meaning of the song, and how do you think it resonates with you after listening to this? I love it. It's one of my favorites to play on the guitar, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for checking out this reaction video. As always, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let your boy know, let Joshy know what you want me to check out next. We'll be back next Thursday with a brand new episode of the Who's Podcast, so be on the lookout for that. And who knows, I might even drop some wrestling reaction videos on here. You never know, but stay tuned to the Who's Podcast. Thank you guys for checking this out. I'll see your guys' comments in a little bit. Talk to y'all later. Peace.